Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on here and show you this 15-piece knife set that I just got. So you are going to get all of these knives as well as a block. You have your steak knives. They are nice and sleek. I like that they're black. They are stainless steel and they're made of a high quality German stainless steel, so we're not going to have to worry about rusting. They are dishwasher safe, which is great too. You got some kitchen scissors here. And then there's also going to be a built-in sharpener, which I'm excited about because knives tend to get dull and we're not going to have to worry about that. So you've got a nice serrated bread knife here. We've got a nice paring knife. Another. So everything that you're going to need in order to create some awesome cuisine. These knives are super sharp. They are awesome. They are going to cut through a ton of stuff. And you have your built-in sharpener right here, and that is going to be used to keep your blades nice and sharp. So we're going to go ahead, cut up some fruits and vegetables today, and I will show you guys how easy and nice these are to use.